Achieving regulatory compliance with COBIT 5. COBIT 5 stands for Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies. Sharjah Information Systems Audit and Control Association developed it. The framework helps organizations govern and control their IT. The framework defines processes and best practices for IT governance. It includes risk management, compliance, and IT audit. Benefits of implementing COBIT 5 for regulatory compliance: enhanced risk management. COBIT 5 helps organizations identify and mitigate IT-related risks, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. Better compliance management: the framework gives clear guidelines. They help organizations meet regulations and avoid legal issues. Strengthened IT controls: COBIT 5 helps firms create strong IT controls and audit trails. They monitor compliance and detect deviations. Steps to achieve regulatory compliance with COBIT 5: conducting a gap analysis, identify areas where the organization's current IT governance practices fall short of regulatory requirements. Develop a compliance roadmap. It should outline steps to align IT governance with COBIT 5 principles and regulations. Implement COBIT controls, set up policies, processes, and controls to meet regulations. Monitor and measure compliance. Regularly check the organization's compliance with COBIT 5 and the regulations. Identify areas for improvement. Continuously improve compliance practices. Use feedback to enhance IT governance and comply with regulations. By using COBIT 5 and these steps, organizations can improve compliance. They can also build a strong IT governance foundation. Conclusion. In conclusion, organizations must comply with COBIT 5 to meet IT governance and data security rules. Using the framework's principles, organizations can align their IT with regulations.